Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best coffee bar wall cabinet you can find, the Bestier LED Kitchen Floating Shelves. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen, living room, or even your office space with a stylish, industrial touch, this is definitely a piece worth considering. Right off the bat, the design of this shelf is eye-catching. It's built with sturdy engineered wood panels paired with industrial-style steel pipe reinforcements on the sides, giving it both durability and a trendy rustic brown finish. Measuring nearly 35 inches tall and 34 inches wide, it's a substantial piece that offers plenty of storage and display space without taking up floor area since it's wall-mounted. One of the standout features is the inclusion of two adjustable glass shelves. These shelves aren't just for show. They have excellent transparency and can be repositioned to accommodate items of different heights, which adds great versatility. Imagine displaying your favorite coffee mugs, wine glasses, or even small plants on these illuminated glass tiers. Speaking of illumination, the LED lighting on this shelf really sets it apart. The shelf comes equipped with built-in LED ambient lights, complete with a handy USB port for power. You get 20 different color options and 22 dynamic lighting modes, so whether you want a romantic glow or a vibrant pop of color, you can customize the ambiance to fit your mood or setting. This feature turns the shelf into a functional and atmospheric centerpiece. There's also a practical touch with the included towel bar that features 6 S-hooks. This adds additional hanging storage perfect for kitchen towels, coffee accessories, or even small tools. It's a smart design element that enhances the shelf's usability beyond just holding items. Installation is designed to be straightforward. While it requires wall mounting, the process doesn't need any complex tools. The package comes with all necessary components like steel pipes, LED lights, glass shelves, and mounting accessories, along with clear instructions to help you set it up without hassle. Each wooden panel can support up to 20 pounds, and the glass shelves can hold up to 15 pounds. Which means you can safely store a variety of kitchen essentials, decorative items, or bar accessories without worrying about sturdiness. This shelf isn't limited to just kitchen use either. Its industrial style and multi-functionality make it a versatile addition for offices, bathrooms, living rooms, bedrooms, or even gaming rooms. Whether you want to organize spices, display collectibles, hold books, or create a mini coffee or wine bar, this shelf adapts well to your needs. In summary, the Bestier LED Kitchen Floating Shelves combine functionality, style, and innovative lighting to create an impressive wall-mounted storage solution. It's robust, aesthetically pleasing, and loaded with features that elevate any room it's placed in. If you want to add a unique and practical statement piece to your coffee bar or living space, this shelf is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.